video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some privacy settings that you should probably fix in Windows 10 once you install it, if you haven't changed it already. Now, you probably heard a lot about Windows 10's privacy invasions, and it's really not that bad. There are some things that I think you should change, but overall, it's not as bad as people have made it to be. So, we're going to have to go into settings in order to fix this. And then first thing, we're going to fix the Wi-Fi sense stuff that I'm going to go ahead and explain. So click on Update, and then Windows Update, and Advanced Options. And then choose how updates are delivered. Now here, by default, you will have this set to on, and you will have PCs on the internet. So what this is it's actually how updates are delivered. So when by default, Microsoft will use your bandwidth and computers on your network's bandwidth to deliver updates to you, and they will use your bandwidth and other on your network's bandwidth to deliver updates to other people that you might not even know. So I recommend just completely turning it off. But if you don't want to completely turn it off, you can set it to on my local network. So if you have other computers on your network, this will share the bandwidth that way, which might actually be advantageous to you. But if you have a ton of people on your network, like random people that you invite to your house or something, you might want to turn it off, and you probably don't want your bandwidth to help to update their PC. So I think you should turn it off. That's one of the biggest ones. And then going into settings, of course, we're going to have to head into privacy to fix most of these. And in general is actually where you're going to find quite a few of these. First, advertising ID turned off. We do not want apps to see how we use our PC. So when it's on, apps will be able to see how you use your PC and then give you advertisements based off of that. I don't want that, so I'm going to turn that off. Now these other ones aren't nearly as bad. I personally don't want a keylogger on my computer, so I'm going to turn that off. But if you don't mind Microsoft seeing exactly what you type, then you can leave that on. It will send it to Microsoft, and they will be able to see how you typed and what that led to, if it was a bug or something. That's really actually it in terms of the major ones. There is some stuff with Cortana that you could possibly turn off if you really wanted to, but I like Cortana, and I'm going to keep it. So yeah, and then there are some other things. Wi-Fi sense in the Wi-Fi settings should probably be turned off. So what Wi-Fi sense does is it shares your Wi-Fi password to your contacts if they are in your network, or if you guys are on the same network at a time. So again, if someone comes to your house, and it auto-connects to your network, they will get the password automatically, even if you don't know that person, even if you don't want them to get the password to your network. So obviously, you should have this turned off. Both of these should be turned off, because you definitely do not want that. So I think Wi-Fi sense should be turned off. But again, these aren't really that bad. It's just whatever you want to do ultimately, in terms of privacy. But I would definitely turn off the updates ones because I want my bandwidth. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, learned something. If you did, be sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.